Do you want to know how you can log into your Full Sail account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One to Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Full Sail account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser. Go to the Google search bar to search for Full Sail Login. Click on the first link which opens on your screen. This is the official login site of Full Sail University. Go ahead and click login and it will lead you to this login portal. Write down your email address, your password, and then click login. This way you can log into your Full Sail University student portal. If you need any kind of assistance with your login, click this link and then you can find help using Full Sail One. So you can scroll down and look at all of the problems and you can solve your problems quite easily. So it's quite simple guys. All you need to do is go to Google and search for Full Sail Login. Click on the first link which appears and then click login again. Write down your email address, your password and click login. This way you can successfully log into your Full Sail account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.